I don't want Anambra people to join the Southeast because the Southeast people don't respect their kings, says a man from Igbo community in Ika land. Myself and Deputy Jesus, we were going to Obio community. When we got to Ibodo, we saw some people there and we started interviewing them, asking them whether they support the creation and zoning of Anambra State to the Southeast. So many people there said that they support Anambra State to be created and zoned to the Southeast because we Anambra people are Igbo people. But an elderly man there said that he does not support Anambra State to be created and zoned to the Southeast, saying that Southeast people don't respect their kings. I told him that the Southeast respect their kings. And I told the man, do you know that in Okwane land that we forbid kingship? He said yes, he know. And I told him, even as we take get Okpaluku for Okwane land, if our Okpaluku they do bad things, say they do corruption, we the youth go tell Okpaluku come out hand for bad thing not good. But these elders are trying to make us not to even tell the Okpaluku that he's doing evil, not to tell our Obi that they are doing evil. Because of say that be Obi, because of say that be Igwe, because of say that be Eze, because of say that be Okpaluku, if they do evil, make we they follow them like that. If you come to this Oshimi and Anacha land, 80% of the problems in those communities are committed by their Obi. And no one committee for Anioma land here. There are people they complain, they cry, say their Obi don't sell their land finish. Oh. They go to do video, they talk say, Obi and yo nyo shio, ajo Obi elesiga ani yo, Obi ne elesi ani yo, Obi ajo Obi yo. But those elders, where they benefit from that Obi, go they tell you say, respect your Obi, anything Obi do, no they complain, now your Obi be. That is what these elders are trying to turn us into. You don't say Southeast not get respect. So Southeast not get respect. Now why you know want make Anioma State join Southeast? You see why I said that some of our people in this Anioma, the way they reason is very bad. The other day, that woman from Benjamin thought say Southeast not get culture. Now why she not want to make Anioma State join Southeast? Now this one they thought say Southeast not they respect their kings. Now why you not want to make Anioma State join Southeast? Some people don't know the meaning of respect. They think say respect now to they bow down, they lie down for king. The same way the Southeast treat their kings is the same way we Anioma people treat our kings. The thing is say, person when no one make Anioma State join Southeast, he must find one year reason where no they exist, they give as an excuse. As Asabo for somebody thought say don't make Anioma State join Southeast, they carry him personal opinion. They try destroy the zone of Anambra State to the Southeast. They try cause confusion. When he go for national TV, he they thought say, you know what make Anambra State join Southeast. Say he's not saying it because he's the Asaba of Asaba. That he's saying it based on his personal opinion. As we gonna speak against that when you do now, some people go to say, look at these boys. They don't have respect for their king. Their king talk. Instead of them to shut up, they oppose their king. If you are not opposing the bad decision of your king in your community, we where they here, we go oppose them. Your king not be God. Your king is just the king of that your community. You see that how many acres of land where una dey? Now that place the power of your king end. Your king is like every other human being. If you do bad thing, we go speak against that evil where you do. Asaba, they thought say you no want make Anioma State where our ancestors don't agitate for since 1938. Our ancestors want make Anioma State join Eastern region. Asaba come today, they thought say no want make Anioma State join Southeast. And he's saying that he is saying his personal opinion. A king is not supposed to be using his personal opinion to sabotage the opinion of his people. King not get him own word. Now the word of him people be him word. Some people don't know the meaning of kingship. They think say you be king. Now wait till you talk. Now it go happen. Now wait till your people talk. Say now they want. Now you king go they talk for public. The demand of your people is supposed to be your demand. Your personal opinion as a king does not matter. Now wait till community agree upon. Now king they do. And me no say so many Asaba people want Anioma State to be created as zone to the Southeast. As Asaba people thought say we want join Southeast to their king go come and talk say we Asaba people want to join the Southeast, but because of say Asaba of Asaba they play politics with Okowa. Now I make them talk say you know make Anioma to join Southeast. So you people are expecting us to shut up our mouths, to keep quiet, to not speak against what Asaba of Asaba said. It not will happen for our time. We must speak against it. King where be saying that the word of him people is supposed to take the walk. If they take your own word, they walk. How many king for Anioma like they see the thought say they don't make Anioma to join Southeast? Because those kings know within their own people they pass through. They know say their people want development. Say they need these states to develop. Say they need this state to shine. Say they need these states to grow. But instead, Asaba of Asaba put his own opinion first. Instead of the opinion of the people. Instead of the welfare of the people. And as we speak against them, some people go to say we not get respect. All those culture where they see for Bini, where we say about Bini talk, you don't talk. Anything you talk na law, anything you talk na true. We will never allow you people to bring that culture to Anioma land. That culture will never work. Because when they try turn us to zombie, when they try make us to believe say the words of kings are final. King where be say you go come, you go make bad decision. Anything else sweet time you go to do. Now what make we take that in they live our life? You know go work. This is the reason why Okwane people hate kingship with passion, because they know say king not be better thing. And they talk this is some people they feel like say no they talk go like that. Even communities where get king go tell you say king not be better thing, because they know what in their eye don't see for their obi hand. I have met so many people in this Anioma land. If you see what these people they talk about their obi, what in their obi don't do. How obi go because they sell the land of their community, they put money for your pocket. Your land obi go just come tell you say what can I know? You go sell the land. And when people speak against it, you will say that they don't have respect. Now people where they work with all those obi, now them you go see they talk say Southeast people they not respect their king. As we they speak against bad things where all these kings they do, they go talk say when I not get respect. We talk say we no want open grazing again for Anioma. Go Ikala and you go see some kings they don't carry cow, give Fulani carry cow, they walk around the community. People where we say herdsmen they kill them for Ikaland instead of their obi to carry their cow, put for ranch. Ikala and give Fulani people. If you go Ikala, you go see Fulani people carry cow, they walk everywhere. The people of that community go be like, shall we agree say we no want see cow again for this community? They walk up and down. Why our obi carrying cow, give Fulani people they walk everywhere? If those people speak against them now this set of elders go still come and they talk say, when I not get respect, obi talk, when I they challenge obi. The Southeast are respecting their kings. We Anambra people, we are respecting our kings. But we not go sit down make king they match us for head. Any king where do evil, we must speak against him. Now so life be. You people should stop forcing us to be docile. Southeast don't have respect. We Okwane people, we get king. We don't have king because we know that kings are not good to the society. Not be all this king where we say government they pay. Herdsmen go they key people from the community of a king. Instead of king go talk, you know go talk because government they pay him. If you talk, they go stop to they pay him or they will dethrone him. Now so the other idiot who call himself Pastor Chris Okafor come for in pulpits. That's him abominable pulpits where they commit different sacrilege. They tell in Igbo members say the worst people on earth are Igbo people. That Igbo people don't respect their kings. That Igbo people don't bow for their kings. One of the people where we say Igbo culture they pain well when are pastors because they want Igbo people to be bowing down to kings so that Igbo people go get that mentality. If Igbo people they see all these fake pastors, make Igbo people see they bow to those pastors, it will never work. If that fake pastor called Pastor Chris Okafor grow old now this same thing where this elder they talk, him go talk because all of them get that same mindset from their youthful age. If king do bad thing, we must speak against it. Because we love our king, we like our king. If he begin go wrong direction, we go call him back, they tell us say this is the way they do it not good though. That's why in Igbo adage, there's a saying that says, Eze biro papa jagwa, anye kulun katanisi gwa uku. Now why Igbo will carry basket cover head, they tell Asaba of Asaba, Ijeko wa de homa, stop fighting against the zone of Anioma to the southeast. But some bad people go talk say he not get respect because he tell king truth. We know say he get some people naturally, they not get respect. That they do anyhow for community. Maybe they get money. If their king talk, wetin go good for the community, they go oppose them because they get money. We know say that kind of thing dey exist. It dey exist for Southeast, e still dey exist for Anioma land here. But coming out to say that the Southeast don't have respect for their kings is rubbish. False information, na lie be that, na insult be that. Southeast respect their kings, Anioma people respect their kings. Every lie and misinformation where anybody from the Southeast to or for Anioma land here they propagate, we the Igbo unification movement, we will always be here to debunk all those lies. Igbo unity is sacrosanct, and we will never allow any lie and misinformation to jeopardize the unity of Igbo nation, to jeopardize the creation of Anioma state and the Southeast zoning. The man thought say, you know, make Anioma state join Southeast. Say Southeast not get respect. Now why not make Anioma state join Southeast? The mindset of a failure. Mindset of person who no make them for life. Mindset of person who no want to make Anioma people embrace their Southeast brothers. This is why I'm telling our Southeast brothers to stand with we the Igbo unification movement. Let's do everything possible and make sure that we carry our brothers from Anioma that are proud of their Igbo identity to the Southeast. Let's make sure that Anioma state is being sold to the Southeast, to open the eyes of these our people that are suffering from identity crisis. Now identity crisis they worry our people. That's why they find one stupid reason to give. Say now why they don't want to make Anioma state join Southeast. First of all, if you hear anything say these people they do this thing, get that mindset say not be all of them they do am. Get that mindset say good people they, bad people they. As you see people they propagate say Southeast not get respect for their king. Check the one where they happen for Anioma. Before you talk another person own, talk your own. You say Southeast not get culture, you get culture. You say Southeast not respect their king. Our king for Anioma land, they do where? All those Anioma people where they get this kind of mindset, make una stop that nonsense. You know good. Let's unite with our Southeast brothers. We are Anioma people, we are Igbo people. You go see some Anioma people, they go tell you say, we are our Southeast brothers, we are one people, we know. But we don't want to join them. They will come find one reason, tell you. You dey see them as your brother, but now that reason make you no want to join them. So, because of this reason, you don't want to make Anioma people embrace their Southeast brothers. You don't want us to join Southeast. You don't want to make Anioma state be Southeast state. How it show say you get sense. How it show say you get brain. Let's not allow all these reasons that some of our Anioma people are giving to make us not to actualize Anioma state and zone into the Southeast. Okwane people wake up. Eka people wake up. Oshimili and Anocha people wake up. Let's not lose this opportunity. Anioma state is what we Anioma people need to grow. It's what we Anioma people need to develop. Stop allowing people to be using all this bad information to inflict fear on you. They try to make you see things with your eyes and stop believing in hearsay. Anioma state can never be created for the South. There are so many state agitators from the South. They will never give Anioma people the slot to get that state and Anioma state to be created and zoned to the South. They will surely fight against it. 5 state agitators are coming from the South. The Southeast have given us their slot to get Anioma state and join them in the Southeast. Let's grab this opportunity now and not regret later in the future. A word is enough for the wise. Make everybody take their tongue, count their teeth. Ishiegwale.